Good morning, folks. Chef Enrique again from Dean's Stove and Spa. We're here to showcase from Clementi, again imported from Italy, exclusive to Dean's Stove and Spa. We think it's one of the best products out there. Folks, Chef Enrique again from Dean's Stove and Spa in the Plantsville section of Southington. Best prices, we'll beat the internet prices, 0% interest financing, 6 months, same as cash. Come check us out, folks.